All right, guys. So I just finished getting ready. Quick, get ready with me. With the not so fashionista, and I feel like I'm on time. First of all, welcome back. If you're new, if you're not new, if you're new, big up yourself. And yeah, let's begin. So today, I got one event like a ceremony for my brother, and I woke up at like 5 something. Didn't get up until like 6ish, and I get ready. Honestly, I never did like really prepare my outfit from the night before, which is something that I usually do just to help me out. I'm just looking at my closet, shop in my closet for this event because I like to shop in my closet. Found a dress that I never wore and was like, you know what, I can wear it. It looked decent on me, not too tight, not too loose, and it's around itself. Do a quick little makeup because I can't, like, it's not the time for me to test my foundation skills. So I do my lips, my eyebrows, lashes, put on some jewelry with my clothes and love myself. Right? We drove back. I feel like I didn't even record anything well we record things there, but like me, I need to do a better job at recording those other parts when I'm driving. But we're back from the event. My outfit came out cute. I'll say cute. I'm really cute and I'm like a goal thing. And this nice chilled event. Ate a lot of their food, fruits, whatever they had to offer. That's like a cool intimate vibe, so I like it. Event did go decent. I think I need to use the bathroom and then come sit down and talk again. But yeah, I'm home now. This is the thing, anytime I dress up, I never really want to take it off. I just want to keep it on the whole time. I might actually go ahead and film a quick sit down video since I'm already made up. Yeah, let's do that. No, I talk to my camera. And I am starting off this vlog. Let me tell you something. My day started off not so well. I never feel too good. Like I was just in a very bad, down, not too good mood. And then I kind of did have to bring myself back down to earth because we have some disappointments that I didn't know how to deal with. So I was just miserable and didn't want to speak to anyone. But then I had everybody around and I was like, I'm not going to see them again for a while. So let me just get it together. I took a shower, I went swimming, and I feel a little bit better now. So now I am at Marshall's, my favorite place, testing out my balanced shopping theory. I just need a bin for the kids' bathroom and the new laundry baskets, and that's all we're getting today. But it seems like Marshall's is a disappointment, so we are going to Walmart. I like that, even though like fake plants, decorate the house. So the last clip you saw me in Marshall's, it was probably about 5 seconds. So it's like nighttime now. I think I just did some kind of like mop up downstairs, clean up a bit because mother there and she did some cooking and thing. So I'm kind of clean up downstairs a bit. And now I'm back upstairs and it's the second, but I still a daily. So I kind of missed the first and the second. But I'm just using these 2 days to edit so that way we can have at least 4 videos. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, I think I have at least 3 or 4 videos that I already pre-recorded that I can put up and have those in the what do you call it? Have those scheduled ahead, so that way I won't have to be coming back because we're going daily. All right, so now I'm going to edit those 4 videos. It's 10:51 p.m. now, so I'm gonna schedule them 4 videos there and see how we can go. Plus, we need to dry my hair. So while I dry my hair, I just schedule them, edit them video day, and then have them scheduled up. And depending on what time I'm done, I go make the thumbnails. Now if I'm done at a decent time, I'll make the thumbnails. Or I might pull it on like all night. There's a Saturday night and it's like the second Saturday in the month. I can sacrifice this Saturday for the rest of the days are to come. Plus, I think I'm going to do, oh, I need to write an email because I want to do a live, but I want to do a what do you call it? Yeah, I want to do a collab live. So I'm gonna email her and see if we can do that and get that out of the way. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm just starting, it's 11 because I spent the time trying to get my clock sorted and then having to do the oh, that's the time. All right, that's the time. And I just finished one. I forward them for editing, but that one it took me so long because I was tired and in and out, like doze off in and out, so it took me longer than it was supposed to. This was supposed to be like a quick thing, but it took me a bit longer. I think the other 3 videos will go a quick bit faster because they were like sit down videos of like me talking about stuff, so they're probably gonna go much faster. But may I export the video now right here? So I'm like exporting the video now that I think you guys should watch, you know, so a little different, but watch that. And I feel like when it's done exporting, I'm out. Like I can go on my bed, probably I make a thumbnail while it export, but as for the rest of that, I can't go on my bed at 1:23. I go on my bed, you know.